A few moments later.
Hello everyone! Do you like martabak? Today, I will show you how to make tofu martabak spring roll wrappers. It is simple and delicious. Let's see ingredients in steps. First, take the tofu and put it into a bowl. Then mash the tofu using a spoon or fork until it becomes soft and smooth. Next, chopped greens, onions, egg, and salt into the mashed tofu. This will give a nice aroma and flavor to the martabak. After that, mix all the ingredients well until everything is evenly combined. Prepare a spring roll wrappers and place it on a flat surface. Then put some of the tofu mixture in the center of the wrapper. Then fold the wrapper carefully to cover the filling. Make sure it is tightly closed so the filling will not come out while frying. After that, pour some cooking oil into the pan. Fry the martabak until it turns golden brown and crispy on both sides. Then, remove the martabak from the pan and drain the excess oil. It is ready to serve.